Hi everyone, you and a friend are going shopping. You leave school, so here's everyone's at school right now, and drive 10 miles due west, so you're going this way, on 26th Street. Then you drive 7 miles on Raspberry Street to the grocery store. So there you are. Now, your friend leaves school and drives 10 miles due east, so there's your east, and then 7 miles here to the movie store, so right there. So each of you has driven 17 miles. Which of you is farthest from your school? So we're using the Hinge theorem. We have two triangles here, the red one and this yellow one here. And we have congruent sides. So these two sides are congruent and these two sides are congruent, 7 and 10. And we have an included angle. So the Hinge theorem basically states that the biggest angle, which is 120 degrees, that side across from that angle is going to be the largest. And the smallest angle, which is 100 degrees, the side across from that is opposed to the 120 is going to be the smaller one. So this side's smaller and this side's larger. So which of you is farthest from your school? And that would be your friend, because this was you and this was your friend. So which of you is farthest? Your friend. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.